Enjoy low-maintenance living in this beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 2-bath patio home tucked into a quiet, well-maintained neighborhood. The inviting open floor plan features vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, and brand-new luxury vinyl plank flooring. A bright sunroom with a ceiling fan and abundant natural light opens to the back patio, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The kitchen boasts stunning new quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious center island with breakfast bar seating. The primary bedroom includes a private 3/4 ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet for added comfort. Stay cozy year-round with in-floor heat and forced air backup, plus central AC for warm summer days. Additional highlights include a 2-stall heated and insulated garage with attic storage, a 3-year new roof, and maintenance-free vinyl siding, soffit, fascia, and gutters.